Alright, so we got the kth largest element in an array. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, we want the kth largest element. Note that is the kth largest element in sorted order, not the kth distinct element. Can you solve it without sorting? So sorting would be n log n, and then since we don't want to use sorting, we should see if we can find something faster than O log n. So it's not possible for it to be O of 1. There's no way you could just look at this and then automatically find the second largest in this case or the fourth largest here. And O of n, that doesn't seem possible, where you could just iterate through the list once and then without doing any operations you could just somehow find the, or do an O of 1 operation for each element. That would be O of n, but that doesn't seem possible. There's no way you could just do an O1 operation for each element to get the fourth largest. But there is, it does seem like it is possible to find like an O of n log k, which is faster than log n because k is smaller than n. So, and then that would involve using a heap. So n log n would be sorting, but you can find an n log k, which will involve using a heap. And then, so basically, usually, whenever you find a problem with like the kth largest or kth smallest, a lot of times the solution for that will involve using a heap. So let's see how we can solve this using a heap. So let's take this as an example. You got this nums array k equals 4. So if we want the k largest elements, so in this case we want the fourth largest, what we could do is we can use a heap, and that would store like all the largest values as you're iterating through this nums. And then whenever the length of h is smaller than k, you would just add anything from nums to h. So you add the 3 here, then here are the 2, and then so on. And then eventually you're going to have h equals 3, 2, 3, 1. And then you would just add additional elements, but then pop out, so you remove the smallest ones, which is what we want because we want only the kth largest. And then from there, you could just pop out what's remaining. So to make this more clear, like we have 3, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 3, 1, and then now you're at this 2. So now that length of h equals k, you do a heap push pop. So now you're at so 3, 2, 1, 2, and then pop 2, or pop 1 because the 1's the smallest. So then now h equals 3, 2, 3, 2, and then now you hit the 4. So you add the 4 here, pop out the 2, hit the 5, pop out the 2, hit another 5, pop out the smallest, which would be this 3, and then hit the 6, pop out the smallest, which would be this 3 here. So now you're left with this, and then since this has the 4 largest elements, and we want the kth largest, which is the 4th, so that would basically then be the smallest of here. And then that would be the final answer because we want the 4th largest. So that would be the 4. So it looks like we have our algorithm. Now we just need to code this. So we have h stored in the heap for x in nums. If length of h less than k, then heap push h of x, else heap push pop h in an x, and then return heap pop of h. So it looks like that should be it. And it passes all test cases. So thanks for watching this video.